Hello, my name is Kirk Wheeler, and I want to welcome you to the Assure for Life team. In this video, I'm going to help you fill out the application so that we can make this a smooth process. At the top where it says your email, if you read there, it says please enter your sponsor's email address. That way, once you finish the form, your sponsor will get the notification that the form has been completed, and then you can schedule your time to actually put everything in the computer and get started with us. Okay. If you notice down on the beneficiaries, you'll see some of the first 4 beneficiaries have the asterisk beside it, which means those places are required. You cannot skip past those. The next 2 beneficiaries, numbers 5 and 6, are not required. However, I strongly suggest you having all 6 of your beneficiaries. That way your application can be completed and you don't have to make any changes later. Plus, it solves a lot of the problems at corporate with having to go back and redo applications. So again, beneficiaries 1 through 4 are required. 5 and 6 are not, but we strongly suggest that you fill those out. Fill out the form completely so that the process can go really smoothly. And again, welcome to the Assure for Life team.